the relationship and the differences between timelining and early case analysis, or I should say the difference between how we used to do early case analysis and how we can make it more robust now with timelining features in eDiscovery programs like Lexby. I think that the original use of ECA was to assess our case facts, obviously, and the witnesses that we needed to identify, those key players and the key document identification. And of course, we're navigating through the banker's boxes back in the good old days, trying to do that case assessment and witness and key doc identification. Fast forward to how we approach review today, dealing with ESI, and we can use tools like timelining and analytics in that early case assessment. And what I mean when I say analytics is that we can now do a quantitative analysis of our ESI. We can use date visualizations quickly to show trends in the data. So we can pull out gaps in our data, like gaps in emails or the statistical distribution of email and other documents by time and custodian. So that is really providing us more insight into what data we have and what we might be missing, which might be the more crucial benefit here to using timelining and quantitative analysis. Both are valuable and necessary to do in your case assessment, and Lexby's eDiscovery platform gives you the tools to do both.